I might be late, but here we go. I have the iPhone Air in sky blue color. I bought 256 GB, and today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this new iPhone Air. And I also have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I'm gonna put it side by side to compare with each other and see how thin the iPhone Air is. So now let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone Air. Okay, so with this one, Apple put it facing you, and let me flip it. So there we go. We have the iPhone Air in sky blue. So in my opinion, so it looks very thin. And if you take a look between the iPhone Air and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it looks like you split the iPhone 13 Pro Max in half. And now let's go ahead and check what's in the box. So we get the charging cable. We have one paper here because for the iPhone Air it is eSIM origin, so which means that you need to install electronic SIM on your new iPhone Air. So a moment of truth, let me peel it. There we go. So that's it. So stay tuned for more video about the iPhone Air. I'm gonna do a lot of tips and tricks about this new iPhone. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.